Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine and are absolutely healthy. Also, I hope all of you are wearing your mask and sanitizing your hands as and when needed. So basically ये वीडियो बनाने का या ये एक्सरसाइज का मोटो ये था कि आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर थ्रू कॉल्स. प्रोबेबली आप लोग मुझे अपने कोविड-19 स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर की तरह जानते हो. प्रोबेबली आपने अपने 4 दोस्तों को 5 दोस्तों को मेरा नंबर भी दिया होगा और उन्होंने भी मुझसे कोविड-19 की ट्रीटमेंट के रिगार्डिंग कनेक्ट किया होगा. It was only and only because of your support we can proudly say today that we could treat 1,000 plus patients very well in the comfort of their home. And that is only and only because you showered your faith and trust in our very young and dynamic team. So basically मैं आपसे interact करना चाहता था and that is the only reason I thought this video would be a very decent platform क्योंकि काफी सारे लोगों ने मुझे देखा भी नहीं है. मेरे आवाज से मुझे पहचानते हैं. Obviously मैं भी आप सबको मिलना चाहूँगा कभी ना कभी लाइफ में. Obviously I don't want you to fall sick for that. But yes, I mean एक family ऐसा बन गया था. And in that whole journey I think when it comes to the service part also I believe that me and my team रात को 3 बजे भी कॉल आया है, हमने लोगों का कॉल उठाया है और हमने उनको जवाब दिया है. So this whole journey has been wonderful and amazing. Over the last couple of months, obviously with God's grace, the cases have considerably fallen down. A lot of people have questioned us कि क्या हम और कोई बीमारी ट्रीट करते हैं, डेंगू, मलेरिया, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, ब्लड प्रेशर, डायबिटीज. जी हाँ, we very well treat all the diseases. जब मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस शुरुआत की थी तब कोविड नहीं था. मेरी प्रैक्टिस जब मैंने शुरू की थी आई स्टार्टेड विद अ वेरी सिंपल मोटो. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि मैं क्लिनिक में बैठूं और वेट करूं कि कोई बीमार हो. नो, मुझे नहीं करना था. मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस शुरू की थी एक सब्सक्रिप्शन मॉडल के साथ जिसमें वी यूज्ड टू इंश्योर दैट अ फैमिली ऑफ 4 पेइंग एन एक्स अमाउंट. आप साल के शुरुआत में एक एक्स अमाउंट पे कर देते हो एंड उसके बदले यू कैन कंसल्ट मी अनलिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स इन माय ओपीडी. You can consult me over teleconsultation within stipulated hours. Some investigations were included, some seminars were included. That's how I began my practice. Unfortunately, within 3 months of beginning my practice, there was this pandemic. But so yeah, we very well run this subscription model still. जिसकी details हम आपसे share करेंगे. रही बात apart from this subscription model, आपके overwhelming support से हमने और भी काफी सारे छोटे छोटे अफोर्डेबल पैकेजेस बनाए हैं. Apart from that, I mean most of you also know that we are into home care and we are kind of home care specialist because we are in this field for last 4.5 years. And in COVID, this home care was a boon. So basically, when I call myself a home care specialist doctor, home care is not just about me. There is a team of around 100 people who are working day in and day out to make this whole home care success. I will hand over mic to my wife, Achal, who currently heads operations of home care. And behind the scene, when I was consulting patients, she was facilitating entire home care services.
Hello everyone. As Dr. Darshan said, that I am the operations head for home care, and when we tell ourselves that we are a home care specialist, it means that we have tried to cater patients at the comfort of your home. Over these 1,000 patients that we catered, I would say 100 took our home care services. There were families who had elderly people at home and they could not get beds in hospital, and their case was really mild, like a COVID mild case. And to those families also, I have catered my team on the field. Like we have around 100 people on field, from male nurse, female nurse, caretakers, ward boys, everybody on field who were ready to work in COVID. And I have catered such families for 14 days. They have quarantined. My team has quarantined themselves with the families, served them. And that blessings that we got during the COVID time has helped us to take our services further. So right now, the team that I have on field gives everything from a single injection at home, a vitamin B12 or a D3 injection at home. We cater a full ICU setup with ventilator, with a 2 functional manual bed, a cardiac monitor, everything at home is done by us. And I have a team of operations executive, resource manager who backups me with all the support that is required. Apart from this, we have certain packages in home care also that we would like to share to you personally, not on this platform but personally, so that we can touch more. And this has been our home care story, and we look forward to grow our home care to a one roof solution for all your comfort that is required at home.
So finally, I would like to conclude saying that we look forward to a society of healthy individuals. We are not waiting for you to fall sick. We want you, and we very well believe in preventive healthcare, and this is where we are your support. There are a lot of things, lot of innovative ways we are thinking and we are trying to progress, and we will keep in touch with you guys with the new things that we come up with. No, I think ये सारी चीजें करने का जो हमको मोटिवेशन या जो पुश मिला है वो सिर्फ आपसे और आपसे ही मिला है. काफी सारे इनसाइट्स तो हमें हमारे पेशेंट्स से ही दिए हैं कि आप ऐसा क्यों नहीं करते, हमको इसमें बहुत दिक्कत होती है, आप प्लीज इसके लिए कोई सर्विस बनाइए. हमारा पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होता है, हम डॉक्टर से बात नहीं कर पाते, हमको समझ में ही नहीं आता. सो ऐसी काफी सारी अलग अलग सर्विसेज जिसमें हॉस्पिटल में कोऑर्डिनेशन करना है पेशेंट के साथ, हम उसके लिए भी सोच रहे हैं हाउ वी कैन हेल्प द पेशेंट. सो लॉट ऑफ इनोवेटिव थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. वी होप एंड प्रे कि थर्ड वेव आए ही ना, and things normalize, and we look forward to a society of healthy, young, fit and dynamic individuals. So thank you so much for listening to us, giving us your precious time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.